So this turned into like I had to fix your ATC video. It was supposed to be how to make a cheap baffle video until my pit cock wanted to piss gas. And I'm running gas line like that, just like shoved into each other. I thought that would work. Don't worry, I already got ATC or three-wheeler gas lines coming already. I don't know when. I kind of forgot. I don't have a memory of time anymore. But yeah, so what we have here is just a pretty sure 1985 200S Honda. If you know what a Frankenstein is, it's just like it's actually three bikes put together. So yeah, I just call it a little Frankenstein. Has a glove box. I ordered up some new stickers, so that should be coming in soon as well. I put Rancher pegs, and I just added like an inch to the regular peg that was on there. Headlight works, it's just a little beat up. I don't really want to talk about that. That's gonna fall off when it falls off because it's held on by zip ties, as you can see. Front tire bald AF, but I mean, it's here. No rips in the seat. Cockpit piston gas. And I have it on its side now. Has no holes in the tank, so I can really do anything with it except for hit it like this. It's actually on off right now. It's on off, so I'm gonna have to just buy a new one of that. It's gonna be some bull. But it's a 90s machine. What can you do? Yeah. You might see this. The pull grip or the pull the pull grip's a little worn out, so I just added like a big woof of duct tape on that bitch so I can actually have grip and so it won't really break over time. Air box is there. I put a new bolt in there, not really a new bolt, but just my bolt, and whatever that holds the bolt in here, it just stripped out, came with it, so that's just there so really water won't get in there. Shit. Oh yeah, why we were here. So I'm trying to find this can that I made for the 200 and just put it over the baffle because it's gutted. And I found this. This is gonna take some real, not really that much, but if we're gonna do it, we're gonna have to cut and fit. So I think we can do that today. If not, I'm hoping we're not gonna really do that today because I don't really want to cut all that. I just want to find the can I originally had, a spaghetti can, and I just poked a bunch of holes in it, and I can't find it. I threw it in a bunch of mess over there, and yeah, I can't find it now. So yeah, just give me a second. I think yeah, hold on. I retrieved the spaghetti can. Yeah. So like I said, I already poked holes in it. It's not that beat up. I could bend it back, hopefully, of course. But literally a can. Junk that. It doesn't fit perfect right now, but usually you can get a tad bit bigger cans, put it over it. Of course, most likely cut a few slots in it, and then put a clamp over it, make it tight. So hopefully we could do that today. That's what I want to do. So we could bend this back and hopefully make it fit. Because it did, not fully, but it did just go over. But like, not fully, of course. So I want to make it past that try. And yeah. So we're going to get the Temu grinder all set up. And we finna be out this bitch. So I'm going to mark where I kind of want to cut. And hopefully I get it, I guess. So something like that. I don't know, maybe something just like that, straight down. Because there's like the bolts on the bottom. That's what I want to do. I just want to kind of just pop it on there. Hopefully I can do that. We got the Temu grinder. Got the little one. It should be tight. I haven't checked it in a minute, but I just kind of been using it. Hold on, I'll be back. Honestly, for safety, it's really just these, and then backwards glove. I got the other one, I just don't want to find it. So you're either about to see something horribly wrong, or yeah, some shit. I don't know. Let's just get into it. Hold on. So this is what we're working with so far. That cut little slit. I don't know if really the camera can see that, but yeah. We're gonna slide it on, see what happens. I don't know if it really did anything. We might have to maybe cut like slits on the side to you know, make it spread. So let's see about that right now. So now I don't gotta like kind of force it on. Might have to. Shit. Yeah. And then maybe we can slide it on if we cut that off. So yeah, if we just cut that off, we can shit. Yeah, maybe. Hopefully. This is my first time doing this. Yeah, doing this, as you can tell. Not filming a video, no, but making a exhaust or a baffle, some shit like that, whatever you want to call it. Kind of my first time. So, and I'm not welding because it's I guess to say all original. I don't really know if you could call it Frankenstein original, but I guess. But yeah. So we're just gonna go where I want to cut, and hopefully that makes a difference while putting it on. So we cut it off. Now we just got a metal piece. We just gonna throw in the grass. And yeah, see what we got from there. Hopefully I didn't do too much. It's gotta do something. It's on there. I don't know. I might have to fill it out with some shit. I can't lie. It's on there. A little bit. Oh yeah, it's maxed out. Cool. So now we got our canned exhausts and my bad recording all mixed together. We can maybe fuck it. Let's get a hose clamp. Honestly, these hose clamps really don't do me good sometimes. Or if not all the time. So how does it look down there though? Like if I hose clamp. I think I can. I think I can. Is there like a tighter one or some shit? I guess we're gonna have to hit her with this. See what that do. I honestly did not think this would work. Oh yeah, it's gonna work. There's a bunch of space right there for it. Hally ho. I can't even start it. Why? I gotta wait for fucking gas lines. Like, I know I gotta do that right now. But while taking the gas line off, where the gas fucking goes in the car, that shit just came off. I had to fix this shit with fucking gasket maker. And if you are gonna gasket your carb, this is a heads up. Use this type gasket. I don't know what it's really called. Use this type of gasket though, because you're gonna mess up your carb if you use any other gasket. So, right. Yeah. I might have to get the stand up here. Nope, I'm gonna pause the video and get back with you. After fucking one hose clamp didn't work and the other one did later, you got yourself, oh yeah, you got yourself a little baffle on that bitch. See, too bad I can't really start it right now though. You know it's good when it's moving the whole machine though. That's cool. So yeah, I was gonna pick these back and maybe start it. I don't know, because even from like over here, I walked in, I smelled horror of gas, like horrible fucking stench of gas. Look down here, that most likely means the carb's leaking. Then I looked over here. Yeah, it's fucking over there too. It was like, see, that's all gas. These fucking 90s machine, man. So I don't know if I'm really gonna start it right now, because I don't really want to catch on fire. I've seen hella videos about that. So we're just gonna clean it off for right now. I guess just let it sit like this. I really want to start it. I don't know. I guess you got your little baffle there. And yeah, so if you got like I guess, yeah, 3-wheeler 200 with a circle stock exhaust, and it's gutted, and you know you want to ungut it, put one of these bad boys on there. Go to your local store, fucking, I don't know, probably a dollar store or some shit. Get yourself just one can of SpaghettiOs, a Temu grinder, a Temu welding glove, and maybe just a little, you know, hardware store. Get yourself a hose clamp that will fit your pipe. Cut it a little bit, poke holes in it with just a screwdriver, and maybe another screwdriver, or yeah, just a hammer. Don't go too hard. As you can see, that's what I did there. I was just bashing it on and I dented it in. But other than that, I mean, shit. Yeah. So I don't know. I guess that's it. This thing, it's straight pipe now, of course. Clean that up with the Temu welder, so that's nice and smooth and shiny. I gotta really practice on my welds. That's gonna break. But to be honest, I want to wide body that engine. Not really do anything with the with like the body. Just keep the body. But I want to wide body this engine. And it might look like it has shocks, but we're rocking no shocks. Just like the ACT. You know, those might have got shocks, but they got a balloon tire. Just like this, we kind of got the balloon tire in the front to brace our, not fall, but our impact on bumps. And shit, that shit still hurts. Like, I don't even want to ride this thing because of it. But I'm not going to give it back to my uncle because I got some new parts on it. So, and it runs good. Like, and it went through a whole spray paint job. Like, that's kind of my favorite touch right there. And, yeah, these, my favorite touch. And, I guess, yeah, my favorite part, straight pipe. But, I mean, yeah, it does need brakes. That's another reason why I'm not riding it. It does need brakes. No brakes whatsoever. But, yeah, so, I guess, that's it for this video. Yeah. Peace.